In today's video lecture, we will discuss beta distribution of a first kind. Here, density function for beta distribution of first kind is given. It is 1 upon beta mn x to the power m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power n minus 1. Here, m and n are two parameters which is greater than 0 and range of x is 0 to 1. Now we want to find out its mean. So what we can do, first of all we can calculate its rth moment and then we will put the value 1, 2 and so on to calculate the mean and variance. Let's see how to do that. Okay, so here first of all we will calculate expectation of x to the power r. How we can define it? Integral. Range is here 0 to 1 x to the power r into f of x dx. Okay. Now we know the density function. So same we will write down here. It is 0 to 1 x to the power r into 1 upon beta mn x to the power m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Okay. Now here 1 upon beta mn is constant. We can take it outside the integral. So it will be 1 upon beta mn integration of 0 to 1. Now here we can see we have x to the power r and x to the power m minus 1. We can write down these two terms together as x to the power m plus r minus 1 and 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Okay. Now here since we know that integral 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx, this integral is nothing but beta distribution with mn. Okay. Now when if we will compare these two integral, then we can see instead of m, now we have here m plus r. So this is our first parameter and here 1 minus x to the power n we have. So now this integral will follow our beta distribution with parameter m plus r and n. Therefore, we can write down here expectation of x to the power r equals to 1 upon beta mn as it is, and here it will be beta m plus r n. Okay. Now here we will see one more result, that beta mn is nothing but gamma m into gamma n upon gamma of m plus n. Okay. So now using this result we will reproduce here 1 upon, see in the denominator what we will get, gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. So that term we can write down in the numerator. So it will be gamma of m plus n. And here it is beta m plus r n. So gamma m plus r gamma n upon gamma m plus n plus r. Right? So now we can solve it further. So what we will get? We have used one more result and it is gamma n. Gamma n is what? N minus 1 factorial, right? And n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial, right? So now this two results again we are going to use here. So it is m plus n minus 1 factorial. Okay. Then next is what we will get here, gamma m plus r. So it is m plus r minus 1 factorial. Gamma n will get cancelled, right? Now in the denominator what we are getting, m minus 1 factorial, and here it is m plus n plus r minus 1 factorial. Now we will calculate mean that means first moment expectation of x. Now here x to the power it is 1. So now instead of r, what we are going to put? Value 1. So what we will get in the numerator, m plus n minus 1 factorial. Here m plus r minus 1. Now value of r is 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled and it will be m factorial, right? In the denominator we have m minus 1 factorial. Again here value of r is 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled and we will get here m plus n factorial, right? Now let's solve it further. Here what we have, m plus n minus 1 factorial we will keep as it is. Then we will expand m factorial. So what it is? M into m minus 1 factorial. In the denominator we have m minus 1 factorial and let's expand again this term. What we will get? M plus n minus 1 factorial. Now here we can see m minus 1 factorial will get cancelled. M plus n minus 1 factorial will also get cancelled. So expected value of x is what? M upon m plus n. Okay. So this is our mean for a beta distribution of a first kind. Now we want to find out variance. What is the formula for variance? Variance of x is expectation of x square minus expected value of x whole square. Now expectation of x we have calculated. Next we have to calculate expectation of x square to find out the variance. So let's find out first expectation of x square by putting value of r equals to 2 in this equation. Okay. Now expectation of x square equals to what we have? M plus n minus 1 factorial, then m. Now value of r is what? 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will get m plus 1 factorial. In the denominator m minus 1 factorial and again here value of r is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and we will get here m plus n plus 1 factorial. Let's solve this. So what we let's keep first term as it is, m plus n minus 1 factorial. Let's expand the second one. It will be m plus 1 into m minus 1 factorial. In the denominator we have m minus 1 factorial. Now we will again expand our this term. So we will get m plus n plus 1, m plus n, m plus n minus 1 factorial. Right? Now here m minus 1 factorial will get cancelled. M plus n minus 1 factorial will also get cancelled. So now what we are getting here in the numerator, m into m plus 1 and in the denominator we have m plus n plus 1 into m plus n. Okay. Now we want to find out variance of x. So let's put these two values in the formula. Variance of x equals to expectation of x square minus expected value of x whole square. Expectation of x square is what? M into m plus 1 upon m plus n plus 1 into m plus n, right? Minus expectation of x we got, it is m upon m plus n, but here we have to take its square. Okay. So now how to solve it? We will first take in the denominator the LCM. So we will get m plus n square into m plus n plus 1. Okay. Now in the numerator we have to multiply with 1 m plus n. So and let's multiply with this. So it will be m square plus m into m plus n minus. Here we have m square and we have to multiply by m plus n plus 1. Okay, now let's solve this bracket. So what we will get? It will be m cube plus m square plus m square n plus m into n minus, here we will get m cube minus m square n minus m square divided by m plus n square into m plus n plus 1. Okay, now here plus m cube minus m cube will get cancelled, plus m square minus m square will also get cancelled, and m square n minus m square n will also get cancelled. So in the numerator we have m into n upon m plus n square into m plus n plus 1, and this is our variance of x for beta distribution of a first kind. In the next video lecture, we will find out skewness and kurtosis of a beta distribution of a first kind. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And if you want me to cover any specific topic, let me know in the chat box.